Hi my loves, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl Day Trend, Laura. Welcome to the new and old subscribers. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use ChatGPT to generate any picture of your choice. Okay, so it's going to be a very short and simple video, and I hope you enjoy it. There are other apps, but let's start first with ChatGPT. Okay. So what you want to do is write to Chat GPT. So this is what I wrote here. I said generate a realistic cinematic YouTube thumbnail. In bracket I put landscape form because you have to be precise on what you want. A fair Nigerian lady buying tomatoes in the local market. It's it is a market setting, and the lady has coily red afro. She is wearing a two-piece outfit. She is backing the camera. So I wanted this as a thumbnail, and this is what it gave me. So let's be patient a bit. So now I've been trying to open it, but it refused to open. Dear MTN, be good with your network. Anyways, this is the video it came up with. So I now came back to say, perfect. Now there should be a semi-bold write-up saying daily vlog. I have to make sure, you have to tell it what to write, which is why I put it in bracket. Daily vlog, and it should be written in white. And it created the same video, image for me, and daily vlog. So this is what I use for a thumbnail on a vlog post. You know those vlogs where you don't really show your face much. Yeah, so that's what I used. So now I wanted the same video for a market vlog. I said make her outfit white, and then it turned the outfit from this orange to white. Okay, so now I said, now let her wear a green outfit, and she is in a beautiful kitchen by the sink washing plates. It delivered the same thing for me, and I was like, I like it. Put a semi-bold write-up saying daily vlog. The write-up should be white in color, and then it gave me this. Okay, so now let's try this. This is just for trying sake. So I said, generate a realistic, cinematic, and dramatic YouTube thumbnail, landscape form, a fair lady buying tomatoes in the local market. It is a market setting, and the market is busy with people buying and selling things. At one end, two guys are fighting. The lady has a coily red afro. She is wearing a two-piece outfit. She is backing the camera. So let's see what it's going to give us. So the generating takes, oh, so now we are back, and this is what it generated for me. Save. So this is it. So you can see the two men fighting at that corner, and you can see how busy the market is. This girl legit looks like me. And you can see it, but it is dark. You can brighten it as well, or you can tell ChatGPT to make it more catchy, like make the color more catchy. Let's try it out. I love it, but make the picture okay, should I say a bit lighter? Okay, lighter or brighter and more catchy. So it's going to create it again. So now you can see how it is, and now it is brighter You can see it clearly now. It's not even dark. So you can use ChatGPT to generate whatever it is you want to generate. If it's picture, mostly generating picture. And ChatGPT is not the only app you can use to generate the picture. There are a lot of other apps. And then most times you need to just get even your WhatsApp. Yeah, WhatsApp can give you this as well. But WhatsApp, their wildlife is too much. Also, there are different platforms. Like I said, comment and I will do that video. So you can generate this, you can do something else. You can even make your own picture into a cartoon like picture. You can tell it, put it, and then say create a cartoon picture of this my picture. Let everything be the same, but remove the background, and it's going to create for you. So right here, you can see the difference. This is dark and this is lighter. So which do you prefer? Your library. This is what I mean when I said you can do it. You can turn your picture into your own avatar or cartoon figure. So this is me, and this is an outfit I wore for an occasion that my sister made. This is the picture, and yes, this is it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was useful to you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave your comment below, and I will do whatever it is I can to help you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was useful to you guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to click that like button, okay?